Okay guys, so I've got midnight in the shop today. Got a little bit of an upgrade for the new off-road bumper that I installed on this thing a little while back. I love it. It looks awesome. It was fairly easy to install. Just a great bumper. I'd highly recommend it to anybody that's looking for a bumper. If they want a bolt-on bumper, this has got to go on a 1500, but it wasn't too hard to adapt. Anyway guys, that's not what the video is about. I've like I said, got an upgrade. In the pictures for when they were selling this, they had these screens in here, and then you can take the screens out and you can put a pod light in these openings on both sides. They actually got a bracket up in here that will you can bolt a pod to, but you have to remove this screen. Well, I was on SpeedTech Lights website, kind of just looking around to see what they have, looking in their work lights and stuff. And I just found something that I think is going to work out awesome. Found these little guys, and these are little guys. This is their Carbine X light. And this thing is super small. It is less than an inch thick. And then it's pretty small. The height and width don't really matter. It's the thickness that's going to do what I want to do. You can see not quite 3 3/4 inches, and then we've got about 2 inches for the height. Now these aren't going to be super bright. I think 700 some lumen or something. But I'm not looking to light it up like a football field back there. I have upgraded backup lights, LED backup lights, and the light strip under here is also a backup light. And that thing, surprisingly guys, puts out quite a bit of light. I just want just a little more light back here. And I've got the area to do it, why not? Now being that these are so thin, I am going to be able to install these and leave my screen in place, which I really like this insert guys. It's just a really neat insert. So I'm going to be able to install these behind that and get myself the extra light that I want, kind of down low. I might angle these down a little bit. There's an adjustable bracket on here. I believe that's all stainless steel. They sent a stainless steel bolt, but it's a little long, so I just got one of our bolts that it's a little shorter. And I might angle it down just a teeny tiny bit to get some more light down to the ground there. I could probably angle it too this way a little bit, depending on how much I can move it back there with that screen in place. But I think this is going to be awesome. It's going to be kind of a stealthy backup light in that bumper. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get to it. It comes with just a positive and a negative, black and a red. I'm going to use those weatherproof connectors on this. So if I do have to pull the bumper off, I can just unplug it. I guess I can show you those connectors before I put them on. Okay guys, so here's the connectors that I'm going to use. This is the one side, and then you've got the other side that plugs into that. Like so. Doing it one-handed is pretty difficult. Anyway, they plug in, nice weatherproof connector. And then I'm going to put this end on the truck side. Just use my weatherproof butt connectors on there with the heat shrink. And I'm good to go. I got to get these wired into the truck side, these plugs. And then we'll be getting these lights bolted in and see how they do. Okay, so I'll give you a look at how the light is mounted. You can see there's a bracket there. I actually had to use a special swivel gear wrench to actually get that on. Otherwise I would have took the bumper off. But I got it. And it's all wired up. And I'm going to give her a test. So there she be, guys. Got her all wired up. Let's give her a test, see how she's going to work. That is so cool, guys. That is awesome. Those stealthy little lights. I like it. Now some are probably going to say, well, you're going to lose a bunch of light because of this grating, but the holes are so big that I don't think I'm going to lose too much light. And it's not my only light source. Now another thing someone's going to say is, well, you need so many lights for, so many backup lights. Well, the people that got to ask that question have not done much work in the dark, because you can never have enough light. Another good thing having multiple sets of lights back here is if you have a failure of one of them or something, you've got another one to kind of take its place. So it's a good idea to have kind of multiples of lights. But I love it. That is so neat, guys. That's awesome. I'm going to go outside. I got a little bit of snow I want to move out there. Set you guys up and see what it looks like out in the dark. But that is cool, guys.